So somebody commented in the Mad Dog video and said, try Wild Irish Rose. So here we are. It's Richard's Wild Irish Rose. This is listed as a grape wine with citrus spirits. So, yeah. This was $5 a bottle. The hopes are not very high for this one. Yes, indeed. I'm convinced everybody hates me. When it comes to trying liquors, everyone focuses on the cheap ones. That's what I get comments on. Try this cheap-ass liquor. Try this cheap-ass beer. So, away we go. To hobo wine. I'm kind of convinced you guys just hate me. Oh, fuck. It's not much different tasting than Mad Dog. This stuff could actually be the base of Mad Dog that they use to flavor, and they add flavoring to it. Definitely wouldn't seek something like this out. It's not so terrible that I would just dump it down the drain. It's not overly sweet, and it's not overly dry. It's kind of right in the middle of the pack. There's a few off tastes to it. It's a $5 wine. Like, it's really where you're supposed to go with this. It kind of tastes like, you just had a generic grape juice you got from Aldi's or something. You added a little bit of champagne yeast to it, let it ferment a little, and boom, we have some Wild Irish Rose. Is that what it's called? Yeah, Wild Irish Rose. And who knows? Maybe Irish people love this. If you're from Ireland and you love this stuff, let me know, because I was really shocked. People in Scotland love their Mad Dog. So maybe this is Ireland's thing. I have to say, this is a little bit better than Mad Dog. This particular liquor is sold in a red and I believe a white variety. They only had red at the liquor store where I went. The state store only had red. It was on the very, very bottom shelf. It even sat lower than Mad Dog. The nose is off-putting. It smells like urinal cakes to me. It kind of has that smell like if somebody threw up and that stuff they throw on it to clean it up. Yeah, that's what I get. What is the... It doesn't even list the alcohol content on this bottle. Oh, it does. 17%. I'm sorry. 17%. Maybe it's not better than Mad Dog. They're neck and neck. So Wild Irish Rose. It is wild, baby. Actually, the wild thing is probably the hardcore hangover you'll get from drinking too much of this stuff. Gotta say, if I'm going to rank it, it's a 3. 3 out of 10 on the scale. It's got some off-putting flavors in there. Definitely some off-putting smells. When something smells like urinal cakes or the shit that you use to clean up after someone vomits, then yes, definitely off-putting on the smell. So that is Wild Irish Rose. If you have any more cheap stuff you'd love to torture me with, let me know in the comments below. If I can come across it, I will buy it and I will drink it despite my best judgment. So, if you want to see more of that, hit subscribe down below, the bell icon. That way you don't miss anything. You can't miss me gagging on whatever else you throw my way. Until next time, thanks for watching, and hey, let's drink. Yeah, let's drink.